All right, guys, my buddy Mark's coming down, and he's got he wants to take me to lunch. We're gonna go get some tacos, but he's got a new car, or a different car he's bringing over, because I don't know the story, but something happened to his ST. And anyway, he has some water spot issues, so I thought we're gonna try some of these products on his water spots. A lot of different cleaners here with some acid in them, and we'll try them out. We'll see if we can't work our way up the ladder to the wheel brightener and what it takes. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. This should be a fun, fast, quick video, and I think you'll enjoy the results. Let's go. All right, guys, coming back to you with a little bit of bad news. Mark, who we did his black ST and we coated in the Geon Evo Pure coating, has pretty much totaled his car. So we'll wait for the insurance to tell us what's going on, but I don't think we're going to be seeing an update on that car. So he's brought this car over, and we got some water spots. So let me show you what's going on here with it. Well, they're going to be wondering, you know. So here's some very cool looking water spottage. I don't know what it really is. We've got it there. Got it over here, and I don't think this is gasoline, for those of you who say it's going to leak, because it's up on top of the gas, and gasoline doesn't fall up on top of the car either. So it's right here. Now that is something on there, because that's coming off. What do you think? Oh, that's kind of coming off. All right, so I got my rinseless bucket that I always have made here. Get this towel out. So let's just clean this first. Well, that came off pretty easy. This one looks like it came off, but this one, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so this is the rinseless wash. Nothing happened. This one did pretty good, but there's a little, oh, let's try to find it. There's a little couple dots right here. Can you see them? And then up here, oh, that's just gone. I don't know what that was. Okay, so I got 4 products here we're gonna try out. We'll start with the Pearl Nano Water Spot Killer. If that doesn't work, we're going to use on to Burschers Water Spot Remover. I know there's no label, but that's what it is. You got Koshemi's FSE. This is their spray exterior with water spot removing technology. And finally, wheel brightener, which I will try not to get to. All right, so the first one is Pearl Nano's Water Spot Killer. Mild acid rub-in clean-off. And as you can tell, it has killed the sprayer. So the problem with these products is, acid products, is they kill sprayers. So I guess we'll just, oh, this is like a gel. This has turned into a gel here. Interesting. I'm gonna put some on and just kind of rub it and let it sit there. I don't know if that's supposed to be a gel consistency, but that's what it's turned into. No, that didn't work. It did a little something, but nope, that did not take any of that off. All right, let's try something else. So it did take a little bit off of there, lightened it up a bit. We're gonna try some more here. Let's see, we're right here. Now we'll use the Burschers. Now it looks like it's taking it off of here.
Yeah, even the first one took a little bit off of there.
Yeah.
This one actually looks like it's taking it off completely.
Right. That's not bad.
Not at all. Let's see if we can take out this right here.
This
one?
one?
Yeah, that hasn't been touched by the other chemical.
You guys see this line right here? Let's see. Ooh, that just ate it right off.
That definitely just ate it right off.
Nice. All right, so we only got through 2, and I'm gonna clean this off now with the rinseless wash again. Hey, how are you? All right, and let's look at the final product here. Pretty good, it's gone. Gone there. And up here, there was really nothing. A little spot. Good deal. All right, well, since we didn't get to use this one, we'll put that aside. And let's try out some wheel brightener on the wheels and just, let's put some of it on there. All right, so here's a really dirty wheel. Ugh. We got some wheel brightener here. Let's spray it on. Let's do half. Give it a second. You don't want to inhale this. Oh. As you can see already, it's cleaned it pretty good. That is pretty dramatic there, folks. So you can definitely tell this side is clean. Still very dirty over here. Can you see that? There's nothing to come off there. So that's how powerful wheel brightener is. Untouched. Nothing on that side where we put it. I think that's real non-touch cleaner.
Wow. That's serious stuff.
And it's only like 25 bucks a gallon.
For reals?
But you can't use it on like polished stuff. It's got to be painted, clear coated wheels.
Oh, really?
All right, so the key to this is to definitely empty it out. And you're gonna need to flush out your bottle and your sprayer afterward with some cleaner, maybe an APC, because this acid here, this wheel brightener, will kill your triggers. All right, let's check out these wheels. Wow, that is untouched. That's amazing. MEGUIAR'S Wheel Brightener. I usually stay away from it unless it's really dirty wheels like this. Yep. Alright guys, so if you like that video, hit that like and subscribe button. Press that notification bell so you get all the new videos we're putting out. Today we're talking about MEGUIAR'S Wheel Brightener. We got the Coast Chamois FSE. We got Burschers Water Spot Remover and Pearl Nano Water Spot Killer. Now Mark's car had some weird water spots on some of the door panels, and he had some on the roof. The roof really just came off the glass pretty easy with the wipe or rinse and wash. The one in the gas tank needed a little bit more than that, but the one on the door just was not going anywhere with the rinse and wash. So we started off with Pearl Nano's Water Spot Killer. Now, I've had this for a little while. The trigger's already bad, the sprayer's bad, but I've noticed that this has coagulated, or it's turned into some type of gelish product. I don't remember it being like that. I could be wrong. But anyway, I opened the cap and I poured some on a towel and I wiped it in, and you know, it didn't do the job. So it did a little bit, it lightened it, but it didn't take it completely off. So put that aside, I went to the Burschers Water Spot Remover. Now, for a while now, I have been told this was really, really strong. So I ordered it over a year ago. I use it now and then. 9 out of 10 times this does the job. And I really should have went to this one next because it's weaker. and this one's stronger, but I just picked up this one. I poured some on a little towel and I wiped it in, and boom, it took those water spots right off. I mean, I was using it all over. Fantastic product from Burschers, and you know, what can I say? Water spot remover that works. This one is one of those ones. Now, I didn't get a chance to get to the wheel brightener. MEGUIAR'S Wheel Brightener is also used for water spots on paint. People go to it as their very strong acidic water spot remover. But what I did do was use it on Mark's wheels, and they were super dirty. So we put a little bit in a sprayer, maybe a few ounces inside there, sprayed it on the wheels, sprayed them with the pressure washer. Holy moly, talk about a touchless wheel cleaner, right? And as you can see, I've been through a lot of this, so I've used a lot of it back in my day. This gallon is probably 7 years old, 8 years old, and it's always done a fantastic job. As long as you use it on painted or clear coated wheels, I wouldn't use it on polished aluminum or bare aluminum. You know, it'll eat that right up. But you know, you put some in here and you spray it on and you rinse it off. That's all you have to do. The big thing of this is, after you're done using these types of bottles, you need to clean out the bottle and the sprayer. It will eat this sprayer up. Tomorrow this would not be working if you left it inside there. It'll eat all the internal parts of the sprayers. I've had chemical sprayers. It doesn't matter. This stuff will kill all your sprayers. So if you think you have a better sprayer and you like to leave it in your sprayer, by all means do so. I'm not doing it. I don't need you to tell me that you got a sprayer for that. I've been through a lot of sprayers. I just clean them out to be safe, and I can use them again. Fantastic wheel cleaner. Will get water spots out. Burschers, great for water spots. Didn't get a chance to use the Koshemi FSE. The Pearl Nano Water Spot Killer didn't work this time, guys. Sorry about that. If you liked the video, thanks for watching. We'll see you later.